Hello friends, let's today enrich the application, the mobile application we have created in last video. So let's make it a love calculator kind of app, just a funny app. This will take the two username, person one name and person two name. Then it will tell you the percentage based on the strings in the name. So let's start with this one. Just change the title of the header to love calculator, and we'll just remove the content part and we'll place our own content inside that block. So first start with the Ionic item, and inside that we'll give the label, Ionic label, Ion label basically, and then the input, Ion input. So it will be text field, and let's make it a two-way binding. So in the model person name, say person one, and the same thing goes for the person two as well. So make it a person two, and then we'll just give the button there that will tell submit or calculate kind of thing, and give the onClick function. That's all for the template file. Let's see. This space is coming basically for the wrapper div. This was done by the default application. Just remove this one. Okay, now we are good to go. Let's wrap this within a div, make it a center align. We have some common the default utility provided by Angular, so I have used that class. Now it's a center aligned, and then we can write the function there. We'll need another variable here apart from person 1 and person 2 to show the percentage. That will be a number, and by default say it's null. So now let's take the function. I have the code ready for the calculation. So this is basically uh, adding the person, then making it lowercase and just loop through it and then do the percentage. Just a simple logic. And let's have a look. So person one name, whatever you want to give, just for testing. Yeah, it's working perfectly, as you can see. Now it's time to make the application kind of attractive. So let's wrap our div. So let's wrap our output inside a div, and we will use one icon. Say heart icon will be best for this output. See, an icon and heart will be displayed here. It's too small. So on the button we have a few property provided. The color and the slot will not work here. We will remove this one and just add a class. Just remove the default CSS provided by default, and we'll just change the font size. It's too small for our case, so let's make it a bit large. We have wrapped our output inside a div, and let's add some CSS to show the output just on the heart icon. Let's see. Let's add one wrapper div here inside the on the percentage also, and this should be okay. It's now just below the heart. Let now make it little better. Add the position floating for the person 1 and person 2 both. Let's see. Yeah, this is better now. Now let's add some CSS to make it more interactive. Go to this variable file and I'll add some CSS that I have taken from the Ionic site itself for the theming purpose. We can now make use of color as red. I have created a theme called red, so this is how it will look like, but we'll need to add it in the Ion toolbar. This is much better now. Let's make the heart icon kind of beating. So I got some keyframe. You'll get it from the internet anytime. So let's use the keyframe now. Let's have a look how it works. So name, then time, then the loop will be infinite. Let's have a look. I made some mistake there. Okay. Okay, this is much better now, and we are almost done with the development, and now it's time to build it, and let's install this one in a physical mobile device. One more thing, we'll change the icon, the logo for the app. So go to this path, select any desired logo, open it, resize it accordingly. This is better. Now click on next, finish. That's done. Now build this one and good to go to install in mobile. So let's open this, allow installation, and that's it. It opened the application. This is how it looks like. So give the name something here, and this is how it works. Please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. Thank you.